You just got back from a trip of a lifetime. Cliff jumping, power runs, surfing, whatever adventure you were on. So you get home, you plug in your SD card from your action camera into your computer, and Windows just looks at you and says, you need to format your SD card to use it. Or worse, it just shows up as completely empty. Well, that footage isn't exactly gone, at least not yet. So whatever you do in the next couple of minutes will matter quite a lot in terms of recoverability in those files. But before we get into the video, drop a comment below with what reason you think your GoPro decided that your footage would be vanished. Then, yes, continue the video and let's get into the fixes and recover all those files back. Before we fix anything, let's talk about why this even happens in the first place. Because action cameras tend to have more problems in their SD cards than the average photographer's camera. And of course, there are real reasons for it. Action cameras like the GoPro or the Insta360 write data fast and hard. This means high bitrate 4K, continuous loops, very long sessions, in the heat, in the cold, in the dry, in the wet. You can imagine all types of conditions. Now imagine all of that, plus the stress that you're also putting on its SD card. And these could be common issues such as a power cut during mid-session, or running out of battery on a slope or surf, or using a compatible SD card, but very weak and not quite fast enough. So as you can imagine, all of these just turns into problem after problem. But the files aren't really erased, the camera just lost track of where everything is. And thankfully, that is a recoverable situation. And well, some other common causes that bring problems to an action camera's SD card could be, once again, abrupt power cuts during recording, or using the wrong SD card, speed class, a card that's been reformatted one too many times, or physical damage from water or impact, which well, action camera users tend to attract. So when macOS says that your SD card is raw or unreadable, you should stop using that card immediately and recover first. Because every second that you're writing new data into that SD card, and this could be just mounting it to your laptop and letting your computer scan it, it all reduces the chances of getting your footage back. So pull that card out, set it aside, and if it's still in your action camera, then you can leave it there, but do not use your action camera. Leave it there in your closet. If your action camera is a GoPro, then you can try using the GoPro Quik app, because thankfully this app sometimes reads cards that computers refuse to acknowledge. This happens because it accesses the card at a lower level, and it also displays thumbnails and sometimes even full videos that your Windows PC or Mac simply cannot view. So first, let's connect your GoPro directly on your computer via USB rather than pulling out the card itself. Sometimes that does help as well. So if your GoPro Quik app sees your files and you can export them there, then great, you're done. If not, let's move to the next step. If the Quik app cannot see your files, then this is where you bring in actual data recovery software. Now, Wondershare Recoverit handles GoPro SD card recovery well, and it's built for exactly this scenario: cards that show up as raw, or cards that simply appear empty, and even cards where files got deleted or corrupted mid-session. So here is the workflow. Let's first pop your SD card into a card reader or connect it to your computer. Do not let Windows format it. Hit cancel on that prompt. Then let's open Recoverit and select your SD card from the drive list. This will show up even if it's unreadable in File Explorer. Then let's run the scan. For corrupted or raw cards, let it finish the deep scan. Do not interrupt it, because this is where Recoverit earns its keep. It reconstructs the file system index to find footage your OS simply cannot locate. Then let's preview before you recover, as you can actually watch the video clips inside Recoverit before committing to a full recovery. So you know immediately whether you're cliff jumping or you're surfing or you're going down a slope in the Alps, in Switzerland, whatever it may be, you know exactly what you are getting back. Then select what you want, recover to a different drive, but never to the same SD card that got corrupted or damaged. And then you are done. Link to Recoverit is in the description if you want to try it today. Now, once all your footage is backed up and safe, you can deal with the card itself. And if this was a one-time corruption situation, you can deal with this super easy by formatting it inside the action camera itself, not the computer. If this card has failed you more than once, then perhaps it's time to retire and buy a new one. Because really, a 64GB SD card is worth much less than a lost session on a trip of a lifetime. Action camera SD card issues are almost always a file system problem, not permanent data loss. So again, if this happens to you, do not format the SD card. First, if you're using a GoPro, try the GoPro Quik app, and if that doesn't work, then use a recovery software to recover all your files back, and then yes, you may format the card inside the camera itself, never the computer. If this video helped you recover all of that footage that you took while scuba diving in Galapagos with hammer sharks, at least in my dreams it was something like that, then please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials just like this. Also, please drop in the comments below any other issues that you might have regarding your own action cameras or anything else. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.